Science Girl and welcome back to my channel, Girls of Science. Now for this experiment you will need parental supervision as you're using electronics and liquid. Now with my speaker here, I have taped down all this Glad wrap. So don't worry, speaker's safe. And then right here, I have something that you might call oobleck, but it's also known as a non-Newtonian fluid. Now, to make this, it's really easy. It's just 1 cup of cornstarch and ½ cup of water. And I'm bringing back a lovely old friend, food coloring. Alright, let's get on with the science. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my oobleck here and just pour it in. Very simple. Just pour it in. I'm going to leave it like that. Drips a bit, that's fine. And now I think I'm going to use pink and blue. Put one here and put maybe some more blue. 1, 2, maybe a little pink. Just because I love pink. Alright. So what's going to happen here is the sound waves from the speaker are hopefully going to make the oobleck dance. All right, let's see. I'm going to put the lids on the food coloring. Now I'm going to mute the sound because it is going to get very loud. So that's just a warning if you do try this. It is very loud. All right, let's see. Technician. That's cool. All right, this is Science Girl with a hopefully not mad father. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.